Let's go. So Bitcoin is going down right now. Where is the next level of support for Bitcoin and what can we expect here in the immediate short term? We're also talking about Ethereum, we're talking about Cardano, traditional markets, and I got some big Bybit news. So yeah, stick around guys. Welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe and also activate the bell right now. And let's get straight into Bitcoin. And what can we see here on the 4-hourly time frame? Well, we can see that we went up to the orange line at 48,200. We got a rejection. We got actually below this second orange line at 47. Tried to break it a couple of times, but now we are going down even further. So one thing we need to realize here is that yes, we're going down here, but everything is still looking good for Bitcoin in my opinion. We still have this low right here, we still have this low right here, and we might even come down to the orange line here at 45, and that would only be a higher low here on the macro structure of the markets here. When you look at longer time frames, when you look at something like the daily, so something like that, right, you can see that it's very obvious. If I take away all of this, you can see that yes, we have indeed printed higher lows here, and we will see if this is going to continue. One thing we want to see is for really the red line here at $42,000 to hold. I mean, we can get down here, and for as long as this holds, things are still looking bullish for Bitcoin in my opinion. Now, that's not the same thing as saying that we are going to get down here. In fact, I don't believe that it's super likely that we go down to $42,000 right now, but should we go down here, that's not a disaster by any means at all. The bullish structure of the market is still intact. So if you are about to build a Bitcoin position here, where is the support levels? Well, as I said, $45,000, you have $43,700, and you have $42,000. Now, if I flip on the moving averages, can these help us in any way? Well, you got the 50 period moving average here. We're actually pretty close to it. So let's see if this is going to have the price react off of it. And then you also got the 100 period moving average here on the 4-hourly time frame at $42,000 right now. Now on the daily time frame, you actually got, and this is actually pretty significant, you have the 200 period moving average right above the $45,000 level. So expect this vicinity, this overall vicinity here, to be pretty strong support. Other than that, I want to show you something. I want to show you the 21 EMA on the weekly time frame. So we're on the weekly time frame right now, and I'm going to flip on the EMA now. Now the 21 EMA is something that we have been talking about a lot. We're on the weekly time frame right here. And you can see that we had resistance off of the weekly EMA right here. We got above it, retraced, closed in the vicinity of it, and then we had some support here. But now if we are to get down here, this is still going to be very significant. So $40,000 is where this is at right now. And of course you have my red line at $42,000. So overall, the $40,000 level, $42,000 is extremely strong, and we need to hold that for the bullish structure of the market to remain intact. But I think that that is going to be the case. So I am going to keep you updated on that. Now, before we talk about Ethereum and the rest of the market, don't forget to apply for the trading competition here. I'm looking for 4 team members. You will not have to use your own money. You will pretty much be granted $2,500 to trade with for free, and you get to keep all of the profit. So today is the last day. If you want to sign up for this, make sure to use the link in the description right now. So short little thing about Ethereum here is that we are still struggling with my orange box here. And yeah, this is not going to be taken easily. But if we break through this, of course, we got all of these targets up here. For Cardano, we are seeing a little bit of a pullback on Cardano as well. Expect the $2 level to be support. You got the $1.85 level, so you got that, and then of course the orange box right here. So that's important to pay attention to. I want to go back to Bitcoin just for a tiny bit, and I want to go to the daily time frame, and I want to zoom out here. I'm going to take away my levels here, and I just want to show you that the bullish structure of the market is indeed very intact just by looking at this, and it's pretty obvious. I mean, we went up, We had some retracements here, went up, had the retracements, but following each and every one of these retracements, we've just continued to go up. Now, this is parabolic. We cannot continue like this for like a 2, 3, 5, 7 weeks straight. So at some point we are going to go sideways for a bit before continuing to the upside. So don't expect this to just go up straight in a line, but I do believe that we are going to reclaim all of these levels and eventually reach the previous all-time high and break it to the upside. Traditional markets, update on traditional markets here, they are still looking good. So I don't see any cause for concern here when it comes to the Bitcoin markets either. So this is still looking good. For the Bitcoin dominance, we are still looking good here as well. I do believe that the altcoins are going to continue to outperform Bitcoin, and this is going to creep down towards the 40% level here on the Bitcoin dominance, meaning that the altcoins are going to do really, really well. That's what I believe. We will see if that is going to be the case. Now, some massive Bybit news. So as you know, I'm using Bybit myself, one of the biggest derivatives exchanges out there, one of the most successful ones as well. And I mean, people have been asking me like, why don't they launch a token? And I've been saying, I don't know. But now they're actually partnering up with Bit Dow, and this is crazy. So hear me out here. This is actually something that I haven't seen before. So what is Bit Dow and how is it related to Bybit? So Bit Dow is basically a project which aims to like incubate projects which they do believe are going to have a big impact in the crypto space moving forward. So they provide resources, they provide funding, and they are backed by many well-known partners here. So as you can see, Bybit is one of them. Now, how is Bybit actually contributing to the Bit Dow? Well, they are actually dedicating, I think it's half of their profit. Let's see here. Bybit is proud to support Bit Dow. We have made a $20 million contribution in Ethereum, USDT, and USDC to the Bit Dow official treasury, equivalent to 2.5 BPS of futures trading volume between July the 15th and July the 24th. So they are going to continue to fund the Bit Dow, and this is not small amounts of money, guys. This is estimated right now with Bybit's volume being one of the leaders in the market. It's expected to be like $1.5 billion, just them contributing to the Bit Dow, and maybe you're going to see some contributions from these other partners as well. So what does this mean? Well, it means that the projects which are going to be launched with Bit Dow, they are going to be well funded. They are going to have a lot of connections. They're going to have a lot of competence with the partners involved here, and it's pretty likely that the projects are going to be successful. So in other words, there are launch pads, and then there are launch pads, and this is definitely a very special. I haven't seen anything like this before. The amount of funding, the amount of partners and everything the projects being launched on BitDAO are going to get, I mean, this is unprecedented in crypto thus far. So we do not have any, details about which projects are going to receive the money or whatever is going to happen, like how the Bybit investments are going to be distributed. I would urge you to pay attention to what's going on here. And they are actually launching their own sale tomorrow on Miso with Sushi Swap. So if you go down here, you can see that they are doing the launch pad tomorrow, so August the 16th. So you will be able to buy the BitDAO token, and you are able to have a say in which projects are going to be incubated and launched on the BitDAO platform. Also, by having these BitDAO, you're essentially a shareholder in the decentralized autonomous organization, and you're able to propose projects you want to see launched on the BitDAO as well. So make sure to check this out, guys. You got Ben, of course, the CEO of Bybit. You can follow him on Twitter. He's going to give you the latest regarding this. Also, BitDAO on Twitter, of course, BitDAO official. And you got the Medium articles. I'm sure that I am also going to keep you in the knows with what's going on here, because I am looking into new projects. I'm looking into new opportunities now that I believe that the crypto markets in general are going to see the next leg of the bull market. So I want to get into projects early, and I'm going to follow the developments here to see if any interesting projects are going to be launched on BitDAO. So yeah, just wanted to make that clear. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.